Bill, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for surviving other people's APIs. I was wondering if you could just take a minute to talk a little bit about yourself and who you are and your book and who it's for.
Yeah, hey, I'm Phil Sturgeon. I've been writing about APIs for blooming ages. You might remember me from such books as Build APIs You Won't Hate from quite some time ago. And now, I've written another book, Surviving Other People's APIs, which aims to help like anyone who is working with other people's web APIs. So if you have to integrate with some other API, maybe it's not going very well, maybe you're having some tough times, maybe they've not built it very well, or maybe you just want to make sure that the front-end application you're building to integrate with it is as kind of battle-hardened as it can be for any weird things that might go on. This book will hopefully help walk you through all of that with some real-world examples of horror stories and the usual sort of fun things that I put in my books.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much, Phil. The book is Surviving Other People's APIs. You can find it on leanpub.com.